yeah, a lot of sparks flying. Thanks to a drum spinner and saw. Woo!
Oh! I believe it tastes a lot like chicken. And oh, there it is! Scorpios has him flipped. Now it's time to feast.
You knew it was coming. Let's see what the result is of that huge hit.
There, I got wheels.
Copperhead.
Recoil. He's really trying to stay free. Look at that.
Well, Copperhead's come back to life, Chris. Son of a...
Uh-oh.
Here goes Copperhead. He's
Huge hit there. Wow!
let the bot battle begin. And oh, a big-time box run by Copperhead into self-right.
That was a massive hit to shell us
Hit
off
from behind. Now Gruff's on its side. It works its way back. Nice pop by Copperhead.
Gruff doing a great job of getting underneath.
Copperhead. He's going to try and throw him out of the arena, Kenny.
Taking a beating and continuing to work perfectly. Robert Cowan is under fire, and he needs to do something to turn this fight around.
What a flip by Copperhead, and now he's going on the attack against Gruff. Copperhead's going after Warstock.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's up on the screws.
Big shots by Copperhead.
Take ball.
Man, Copperhead just destroying Black Dragon.
Wow!
From the bottom up.
But there is no quit from the Brazilian squad. They're right back into it. And
Sending him into the screws.
spin out. Hope P1 brought some anti-venom.
No.
No, it's taking another shot, and that's a real problem. The Gigabyte chips him out. Holy smokes! Look at that, the Gigabyte
Be
can't.
cautious in its approach.
Oh, there it goes, ricocheting around the Battlebots, but look at Gigabyte. Oh my gosh, right against the glass of the
This is
Battlebot.
Oh, great shot by Gigabyte to the tire. Now, neither bot has protection on the wheels, but that's going to be...
Now, though.
Oh,
Oh, boy. Now let's see if Rusty can get. He's trying to get. Oh,
what a shot!
and Kronos has been flipped over.